Right, the following video shows us a bit of housekeeping of the panel. We can move icons like so. We can move to this position, we can switch to this position or this position. We can also move down to find the location we wish to put the icon. We can also move the icon to one of the other screens, for we have 5 screens, like so. We can, if we wish, put icons in folders. So to create a folder, we hold down on the panel in the space we wish the folder to be. We select folder. We now select the folder. We can hold the banner to change the name of the folder. Close the folder, and then we can drag our icons into the folder, and as you can see, it's now in the folder. And if we wish, we can also delete by dragging the icon or folder to the rubbish bin.